Hello everyone, for sale apartment in Orca Life 2. Full sea view, 175 square meter. This side is auto park. This side is auto park. The entrance of the apartment. This side there is storage extra. Also there is elevator. The entrance of the flat. Very nice apartment. The entrance. There is intercom. This kitchen. Kitchen is very wide. There is very wide kitchen. Full sea view apartment. Another room. This room also has air conditioning subsystem. 2 bedroom, 175 square meter. The salon is very wide. The salon is very wide and very big apartment and sea view. This is balcony, swimming pool, very nice view. Clear sea view. Okay. Also there is heater from kitchen, from middle room, from living room. You can reach to balcony. This is bathroom. This is another wide room. The room size is big. This is master room. Also master room has air conditioning pipe subsystem. In compound there is swimming pool, security, auto park. This is master bed. This side they will assemble a wash basin, wet closet and shower box. For more information you can contact with me.